At Paxton Products, we're committed to keeping your systems running at peak performance. Our comprehensive service program offers both on-site and remote support to ensure minimal downtime and maximum efficiency for your operations. Whether you need assistance with installation, routine maintenance, or remote support, our expert technicians are ready to help. Our service offerings include installation services, maintenance audits, general repair, remote service and support, and customized maintenance courses. When you purchase a Paxton system, you have the option to include professional installation services. Our experienced technicians will ensure your equipment is installed correctly, efficiently, and optimized for your specific line and setup. Stay ahead of issues with a proactive system maintenance audit. A Paxton technician will visit your facility to assess your system's condition, identify potential maintenance needs, and recommend preventative strategies to keep everything running smoothly. If your Paxton system isn't performing as expected, our service team can come on site to diagnose and repair any issues. We'll work quickly to restore performance and minimize disruptions. If you're in need of immediate assistance, our technicians provide remote service via phone or video call to help resolve issues quickly. This is ideal for minimizing downtime without waiting for an on-site visit. Our customized maintenance courses allow you to empower your maintenance team with hands-on training. Our technicians will develop a custom maintenance schedule tailored to your system, followed by one-on-one training with your staff. This training builds confidence and ensures your team knows how to perform preventative maintenance that keeps your system operating at full capacity. To receive a service quote or schedule support, use our Request a Quote form on our website, email us at sales@paxtonproducts.com, or call us at 513-891-7485. Please allow for up to 48 hours for standard service quote turnaround. For urgent needs, call us directly for immediate assistance. Please note that in-person service offerings are currently limited to continental U.S. locations. For service requests outside of the continental U.S., remote service offerings are available.